Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to fix device ban on Snapchat. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Google on your mobile device. Tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Type in Snapchat support. Select Snapchat support. Once you have entered this page, scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on Contact Us. Select I can't access my account. On the second one, tap on I see an error message. Scroll down. Here you can see an option of device ban. Tap on it. Your device is most likely banned because you violated the guidelines of Snapchat. But if you still want to get your account back, scroll down all the way to the bottom to still need help. Tap on Yes. Now go ahead and enter your Snapchat username, email, and mobile number, and properly describe the problem that you're facing in the description box. Once you're done, tap on Submit and wait for Snapchat to unban your account. And that's it. This is how you fix device ban on Snapchat. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.